Look at these wonderful cakes. Do you want to try one of these?
Yeah. What are those?
They are like kind of a sweet rice cake. And they've got some bread.
Yummy.
And there's custard cakes. And what have we got over here? What is this? Oh, look, Ilea, look.
Let's go.
We've got ginger. And those, Auntie, are there any moon cakes over there?
This is Durian.
Durian. I love it. Put it in. Oh, I love that. Actually, if we do find durian itself, I want to get one. What is that, Ilea?
I don't know, but it looks...
Are those marshmallows?
I don't know what they are, but they look good. They look really, really good.
Green tea almond cookies. Maybe we could try that. Green tea is nice. These are like little triangles that are wrapped in seaweed and they're filled with different things. This one's spicy tuna mayo. Tuna mayo looks yummy. And what is that one? Lobster mayo. Wow, they've got a lot. What have they got?
Cotton candy.
Okay, well we could get one of those.
Oh, yeah.
If there are two colors, you can get one of each, okay? Because you can each have some and share it with the triplets. Jamie, look. These are actually little rice, soft, squishy little things. Oh, look, they've got more here. This is, right here, these are more mochi type things. You get one of those. And sweet rice with coconut here. This is sweet rice with coconut. Hey guys, these are moon cakes. I like the lotus moon cakes. We're gonna get one or two of these, okay? Okay, this is what I was looking for, mixed mochi. These are like cream-filled cakes. It says blueberry silk roll cake. Oh yeah, that looks really good. You want to get that one? Let's get the blueberry one.
Ice cream's up ahead.
Oh, what do you want, Jamie?
Come over here, the ice cream right here.
Oh my goodness. Ice cream. Okay, guys. Let's wait and get the ice cream last, otherwise it'll melt.
Oh no.
It'll melt. We'll come back to this aisle at the very end. How about that? We'll come back at the very end. Okay, let's get everything else first, because otherwise it'll melt.
Mommy, is it okay if we get some fish?
We'll get one of these as we leave, guys, okay?
Can we get some fish?
Derek, Andrew.
Wow.
Don't, Auntie, he's right getting into the hot paste. You have good taste, buddy. That's really good stuff. That's hot pepper paste. You know what we do with hot pepper paste? We can make Korean food with that.
No.
He says no. He says no to everything though, right, buddy? Oh, he wants that. Yeah, he says no. Why did you pull me away? What have you found, boys? What did you find? Did you find snacks?
Yummy.
Does Andrew B found snacks?
Look.
Yeah.
It's banana kit.
Oh, okay. Hey, boys, are you guys looking at the snacks too?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. What kind did Andrew get there?
I found banana kit.
He found mixed snack pack cheese flavor. Does that look good? Maybe we could get one of those. Hey, onion rings. Ooh, Jamie, you want that?
Oh,
That
yeah.
sounds really good. Yeah. Let's get the onion ring. Yeah. Japanese popsicles.
Wow.
Choo-choo bar sorted. Okay. Yeah, I can see that you're really enjoying this kind of thing.
Popsicles.
Oh yeah, I know. We all love popsicles and it's really hot outside, so let's get that. What, Alyssa? What did you say? What is it? What did you see? Did you see something you like? Drinks. You want a drink? Alyssa wants a drink. Okay, let's get some drinks. What kind of these? Oh, aloe vera juice. I love aloe vera juice. Lychee tea. We've got some other kinds of teas here. What, Jamie? What is it?
Strawberry flavored milk.
Oh gosh, strawberry flavored milk, huh? It's Korean strawberry milk. Do you want to try it, Jamie?
Oh yeah.
Jamie, what did you get? Oh, mochi ice cream. Okay. And you wanted the popsicles, Mona popsicles. Okay, this is the durian that we got at the store. Look at those spikes. And we're going to try that. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Ooh, the durian. Let's see what it tastes like. Ouch, it's spikes. They hurt. Okay, Stefan, they hurt.
Durian. Alea, do you want to try some?
No, thank you.
I already did. I love it. Bye-bye.